Study after study after study reveal the same thing. Men that have masculine facial features are seen more attractive by women, and they're coveted by more women. And I'm gonna be honest with you, my only goal in life is for more women to covet you. I just want women to literally gravitate towards you. So to get there, I need to make sure your face looks more masculine. You see, most guys have these feminine and soft features on their face that can easily be fixed to make your face look more structured, stronger, and more dominant. If that sounds interesting, today I'm gonna show you 5 things any guy can do to have a masculine face. Let's get started. Number 1, and the most important thing, is that you need to grow a beard. I know what you're thinking. Jesus, hey, thanks. I wish it was that simple. Yeah. Wait a minute. It actually is that simple. I dropped a whole entire video on how to grow a beard naturally, which you can watch. But the point is that having a nice, thick beard is a sign of high testosterone in men. Immediately, women perceive you as older, wiser, and stronger when men have beards. And honestly, even other men see you as older, stronger, and wiser. I mean, let's just be real here. Look at this guy. And now look at this guy. Who would you pick a fight with? It's the same dude, but look at the beard, just makes you a badass, bro. Number 2, once you grow that beard, you need to line it up properly. And here's the secret sauce. Here's the secret trick most guys don't do. You want a very slight U shape underneath your jaw. You don't want to make sure you don't push your line too close to the edge, because your goal is to make your beard look like it's wrapping around your jaw. That's what gives your jaw that prominence and that thick, strong look. The mistake most men make is once they do grow a beard, they line up underneath their jaw up way too tight, basically borderline on the jaw. Think like a chin strap, and look what it does. It basically softens your features and rounds off your face, and it makes it look less masculine. Number 3, wear thick frames. This is something a lot of people don't talk about. See, when you wear thin frames, yes, you look smart, you look sexy, you look refined. But what happens when you replace those very thin, delicate frames with thick acetate frames? Just like that, boom. What a sad day. Yo, I just dropped my Jade Black for this video. Oh my God, are you okay? Yo, I do this for you guys. I almost scratched him. Give me a second. The point is that, boom, as soon as you throw on these thick acetate frames, it brings heft to your face. It makes it look more powerful, more masculine. And since these are from our company, Jade Black, you already know the acetate is Italian. And yes, did we splurge more money on these frames because they're thicker and had to buy more acetate for them? Absolutely. Do I care? No, because they're for you. And I want you to have frames that only cost $49 that you can be proud to wear. And when you wear them, just know, not only do you have frames that make you look more masculine, you have frames that are going to last you for years, because I do not cut corners. Not with my own family, not with my own brothers. This is exactly why Jade Black sells out so quick, and why I tell you, yo, if you want solid frames that will structure your face and make them look good, look nowhere else. Here at Jade Black, not only do we do sunglasses, we do blue light and also prescription. But this is what sets us apart. See, for your face to look more masculine, you need the right shape of frames. What we did is, if you guys click the link down below, you can take our quiz. Our quiz takes maybe 15 seconds to go through. We'll ask you 4 to 5 super simple questions. When you answer those questions, our algorithm is going to take your responses. We're going to recommend to you what frame shape you should be buying for your face shape. I know. I could not make this any easier. You want frames that fit your face and make them look more masculine? There's no excuse. I made it simple, and they're only $49. Yo, what are you waiting for? Click that link down below, check out Jade Black, take the quiz, and buy yourself some thick acetate frames to give your face that masculine look you want. Number 4, it's all about your eyebrows. See, most men, when they groom their eyebrows, or naturally, they have eyebrows that sit really high, which just makes you look excited all the time. On top of that, it also shortens the visual length of your forehead. Usually, prominent masculine features on a face are brows that sit lower and a forehead that's a little bit bigger. The brows intensifies your look, and a slightly bigger forehead just makes you look more dominant. Now, to get this effect, simple. Opt for a hairstyle that you can push back to expose more of your forehead. In other words, don't let your hair fall in front of your face. And 2, clean up the top sides of your eyebrows so they appear to sit a little bit lower. Another trick a lot of guys like to do also is slightly squint your eyes. Don't do it too much, because it's going to look like you're constipated. Just slightly, like this. Intensified, you know? And finally, number 5, you want to smile scarcely. See, a man that's always smiling all the time, it's definitely not a characteristic that's associated with masculinity. However, I'm not telling you to be a freaking Debbie Downer either that's always pissed off, but instead, be scarce with your smiles. Only smile when you have a reason to smile, whether it's that you're flirting or somebody said something actually funny. Don't just smile to look super friendly and giddy and get people to like you, because this is what makes you look less masculine with your face. Keeping your face neutral, not angry, and not happy is the best way to make it look more masculine. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jade Black if you guys want sick pair of frames that are high quality. And bro, they're only $49. Click that link down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.